Hey, oh hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my June 2022 Empties video, which also means it's time for a giveaway. So I will get into the details of that at the end of the video. But before we get started with the Empties video, I did want to mention I'm using the Mineral Fusion retractable brow pencil, and this is in the blonde color, yes, in blonde, and this came in, I think, the Petit Four box, and I really like it. I think it actually suits me quite well. I was worried it would be a little warm, and I do think it is just the slightest tad warm, but with my hair being pink, I don't think it really is all that bad, but I think it's really nice. I like it a lot. I like the amount of pigment it has to it. Not too much, not too little, just the right amount. I actually like the little wonky brush on the end. I think it's really effective. I'm a fan. I quite like it. So that's my opinion of that. Now let's go ahead and get into the empties. So it seems the theme this month is like tiny little brown bottles and labels. I don't know why there's so many little brown bottles. But let's just get into it. I'm just going to go in the order that they're sitting in here because it's easiest. So I finished the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I've been deep conditioning a ton since bleaching my hair, so I actually really like this one. I think it does a great job. I'd certainly repurchase it. I've got a couple like smaller sample size and deluxe size masks to still get through, but I probably will end up repurchasing this one or maybe another one from Briogeo, so I liked that. The next item we have is from Ellis Brooklyn, and it is the scent Fawn, the Eau de Parfum, and I know I used it up, but I genuinely don't even remember it, so it must have been nice enough to wear, but not memorable enough to be something I'd want to repurchase. I don't know. I finished the Paula's Choice Resist Skin Restoring Moisturizer. I can't talk. What is wrong with me? Broad Spectrum SPF 50. So it's the Paula's Choice skincare sunscreen. And I love this. I already have another one that I've opened and I'm using. It's my absolute favorite face sunscreen. I get the one for normal to dry. There is one for other skin types. I feel that one's a little too dry for my liking. I like this one, and I will continue to repurchase this over and over and over again. It's just a really good face sunscreen. The next item is one I used one time and then never again because I did not like it at all. From the Timeless Organics Skincare, this is the Repairing Conditioner. I got this in a pair. It came with a shampoo as well. The shampoo is decent enough. I'm going to keep that for next time I travel since the size is really nice, but the conditioner was crap, absolute crap. It does not spread through your hair. It takes like a ton of product just to get it distributed through the hair, and then it doesn't feel conditioned at all. It doesn't soften, it doesn't help to tangle, it doesn't moisturize. It's just, I'll say this, it's not for me. It's not for my hair type. I'm gonna go ahead and send it to a friend who maybe has like silkier hair, so maybe it would work better for them, but this is not for my hair type at all. Next item, also for hair, it's the John Masters Organic Leave-In Conditioning Mist with green tea and calendula. And this was a nice little mist. I actually used it as my first step out of the shower to spray in and then kind of detangle with, and it served that purpose really, really well. I actually have a favorite product already that I use in that capacity from Sunbum, so I probably wouldn't repurchase this one, but I did really enjoy it. I would recommend it if you like other John Masters products, and I thought it was pretty good. Do you see what I mean about all these little brown bottles? Like another one. This is the John Masters Organics Scalp Stimulating Shampoo, Spearmint and Meadow Sweet. This one I wasn't quite as jazzed about. I just don't think it spread through the hair very well. I had to use a lot of it to kind of get the shampoo all over my head, and I don't like that. I don't like feeling, oh sorry, I'm trying to scooch up. I don't like feeling like I have to use half the bottle just to get my head clean. I don't know. I don't like that at all. So this was one of those ones that just did not distribute through the hair very easily or effectively. And I will say, I do have hair that is thick, hair that is textured, and now that it's bleached, it is hair that is very dry. So perhaps if you have silkier hair, straighter hair, finer hair, this will work well for you. It does not work for my hair type. Next, we have the Malu Protecting Day Cream SPF 30. This was a facial sunscreen that I did not use on my face because it has a lot of fragrant ingredients. Actually, it's from Honolulu, Hawaii Skincare. So, I didn't care for it in that regard. So I was using this more so on my chest when I'm wearing a shirt kind of like this, where there's a little bit of chest exposed. The scent is so strong. It is so strong. You almost don't need to wear perfume if you have this on your body. It's so strong. So I don't love that. I obviously didn't use it on my face as it's intended for, which I don't recommend you do at all because it's so strong. I feel like if this got on my face, it'd be like irritating to my eyes. The other thing I don't care for is the packaging. It is a really nice glass bottle, but because of that, there's so much product in there. I can feel and see if I screw the top off. There's so much product in there and it will not come out. It's just thick in there and won't go through the straw. So this is just one where they really need to go back to the drawing board. There's a lot wrong with this and I feel like it could be good, but it's not. I finished the Levito Thera Intensive Foot Cream. I've had this product before. It's okay. I mean, essentially it's a lotion. It's a lotion. It's just an alright lotion. Nothing really special about it. I finished the Piper Y Body Wash with ginger and chamomile. I do like the packaging on this one. It's aluminum and it feels like really light and sturdy. I'm worried about like if you had a bigger one, how it might last in the shower or if it would create a rust ring, but this was fine for the time I had it. What I don't like is the pump, because it puts out so little product. You have to sit there and pump and pump and pump and pump and pump over and over again onto like your washcloth or your scrubby or whatever you're using for washing your body, because it just puts out so little. And on top of it putting out so little, it's not like it lathers or spreads well either, so you have to use more on top of that. So not something I've repurchased, not something I'm interested in. I'm just not thrilled with it, but I certainly used it. I mean, it's body wash. I'm not gonna like toss it, but yeah, not a fan. Here we are with another little brown bottle. I finished up the MKS Eco, which I believe was Moroccan Beauty or something. I don't know. They just recently rebranded. What was it before? I don't remember. But this is one I'd gotten in a box a long time ago and used up and I repurchased. So I bought 2 of them when I repurchased, so I have another one of these I'm already using. I love this product, and it is the Calm Soothing Treatment infused with argan and hemp oils. So let me show you up close because this is one I really love. Love this product, and I use this as kind of like my leave-in conditioner type product after the shower, and it is amazing. Now it is called a smoothing treatment, so I guess if you blow dry or anything, it'll be helpful. I don't know. I really don't use it that way. For me, this is really effective with frizz. I love it for that purpose. My frizz has been way less crazy since I started using this than it had been in the past, and I'm a frizzy girl for life, so I kind of have a good scale on when something is actually helping the frizz, and this is one of the products that really, really does it. I love this stuff. Another brown bottle, this one not so little. I finished the Decay Moisturizing Shower Gel in Coconut. This is the one I repurchased when I'm completely out of body wash. Just any of them from Decay. I have the coconut one, but I've got like I think a gardenia one too. Any of the scents are just fine. But this is a really good one. It lathers well, it cleans well, it's a good value, it's a big bottle, it lasts a long time. It's just a good, solid, reliable staple. So really like this one. The next product I didn't think I was going to like, and then I ended up loving it. It is from Nourish Mantra. It is the Ratrani Moroccan Lava Clay Cleanser, When I heard the words clay cleanser, I thought this is going to be thick, it's going to leave a film behind, it's going to feel gross, but no, this is an amazing cleanser. And it's actually one of the few cleansers that's pretty daggone good with removing makeup. I would say if you have a thicker mascara or a waterproof mascara, I mean obviously still use your makeup remover, but this does a really, really good job at cleansing the face, and you just feel good after. So I'm really glad that I ended up getting this in 2 subscription boxes, so I have another one of these. I like this. I would potentially consider repurchasing this after I get through the massive hoard of cleansers that I already have, but this is a good one. Definitely check it out if you're looking for a new cleanser. I finished the Amandaphenonon Hawaiian Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF. This is the spray, the clear spray. I just love a spray. I know they are wasteful. I can't help it. I just love sprays. They're so fast. And not to mention when you're on the beach, after you've already applied and you've been there for a while, it's so nice to use a spray to reapply, because then you're not grinding sand into your skin, which I hate. I hate that. So I'm a big fan of sprays, and this is probably one of my favorite ones. They did used to make, I don't know, maybe they still do, one that had like a cooling sensation to it. I think it was like a sport one, and I really liked that, but I can't really ever find that one. So this is probably my favorite one. So the next few sprays you'll see from me are all from Pacifica, because I got like a billion of them in boxes, but this is still my favorite, the Amandaphenonon. And the last item in our Empties video is from Timeless. This is the Matrixyl 3000 serum, and I would absolutely buy this again. I think it's just a really good serum, and it's a product I enjoyed, and I really like the Timeless vitamin C as well. So whenever I run out of that, because that's the product I really like the most, I'll probably put in another order with Timeless and throw this in if I need some more in the cart for shipping. So, good product. So now we are at the end of the video, which means let's talk about this giveaway. I'm not going to go into every product in here, but I can tell you this box is heavy. There is a lot of stuff in here, and whoever wins this is going to be very, very excited to go through all these goodies. But in order to enter this giveaway, I need you to tell me down below, what summer activity or plans or events are you looking forward to the most this summer? What is on your itinerary that you are just jazzed and excited about? Let me know that in the comments below on this video. And I think we'll do like last time. It'll be open until July's empty video, and then in that video I will go ahead and pick a winner. So that's how we're going to do it. It seemed to work pretty well that way last time. And I'm pretty excited for someone to get all this stuff. Although I'm not excited for weighing it on my mail scale and putting it into the USPS website, because this is going to be an expensive little one. It's very heavy. So, very excited about that. And otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Be sure to check out Amandaphenomenon.com, linked down below in the description box. I have been posting a ton of new blog posts. Check out my Instagram, watch my reels, be supportive, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye!